Welcome to The Explainer, brought to you by Metricom. Today we're tackling how to properly manage workshop waste. Your auto shop isn't just a simple service center. It's literally a compact industrial site packed with chemical hazards. Treating solvents and oil as regular trash massively increases liability, spreading risks to drains, soil, and your workers' lungs. So, let's dive into Metricom's simple two-step guide. First, identify and segregate your streams. Then, track that disposal. Step 1, you've got to identify the specific chemical and physical hazards hiding right there in your shop. Here's the golden rule: absolutely never mix oil, coolant, or solvents together once they're generated. Keep them separate. Always check safety data sheets for chemical compatibility. Seriously, this prevents catastrophic toxic reactions and crazy shop fires. Used oil needs dedicated, sealed tanks. You also need secondary containment bunds sized to handle any credible spills. Controlling volatile organic compounds isn't just an environmental thing. It's a critical worker health and fire safety issue requiring proper ventilation. Also, batteries are highly hazardous. Damaged lithium-ion ones carry severe fire risks, so proper, upright storage is totally crucial. Dry sweeping brake dust or ignoring paint fumes forces toxins into your workers' lungs. Stop doing it. And listen, washing contaminated spills into stormwater drains is literally one of the highest risk mistakes a workshop can make. Simply installing an oil-water separator isn't enough. Proving it actually works through regular sludge removal is totally mandatory. Which brings us to step 2 of our guide, meticulously tracking your disposal to definitively prove compliance. Without a proper waste manifest tracking all these specific details, you simply can't prove responsible management to auditors. So, the big takeaway here? Compliance isn't just avoiding fines, it builds real commercial credibility with your clients. Ultimately, your shop is measured by how it controls its waste. Ask yourself, are you truly in control?